Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you could join me today. And my sleepy sidekicks. Zena says hi. She just had a treat. That's how I got her in here. Wyatt's here too, so I'm sure he'll join us in just a minute. So they'll be awake probably for the first, couple minutes here until my voice puts them to sleep. But if you like unboxing videos, please keep watching because I have a Trunk Club unboxing for you today. Trunk Club is a styling service through Nordstrom. So they have access to most of the Nordstrom brands, but I think all of the Nordstrom brands, but not all of their warehouse, I don't believe. So not all the inventory. There is a $25 styling fee, I believe. However, if you use your Nordstrom card, that fee is waived. So I do use my Nordstrom card. However, if you keep something, that fee does go against anything that you do keep. There is no discount if you keep a certain amount of items. You get up to 12 items, but that you won't necessarily get 12 items. So I know for a fact in my box, I only have 10 items. You do get to preview what your stylist has picked out for you, and your stylist does pick items based on your profile that you complete. You get to preview everything. I think you have like 24 hours to accept or decline your trunk. So you can decline and ask your stylist to replace the items with something else. There is an app and through the browser as well. You can ping your stylist, you can like talk to her, tell her what you like, what you don't like. There's an app as well. You can do it through your phone. Zena wants attention right now, so she wants her belly rubbed. Yeah, so not the best timing right now. So it's a fun styling service. You can set price limits. However, I find that my stylist tends to go a little crazy sometimes and wants to send me a lot of really expensive stuff, which I tend to take a lot of them out of my cart, or else I would end up with super expensive trunks. So let's dig into this. You've heard me talk enough without seeing anything. Let's see what is in here. So here is the inside of my trunk. Looks like there's jewelry, shoes, all kinds of stuff. Super heavy. Everything is in plastic, so I will pause so I can get everything out of the plastic for you so we can check it out. You do get a little envelope with all kinds of information in it, including your price list, a note from your stylist, as well as anything you don't love, you put right back in this exact same trunk. You have little stickers to seal it. You can go right online inside on your account and schedule UPS to come right to your house to pick this trunk back up, or you can drop it off at any UPS location. If at work you have a UPS pickup as well, you can hand it to them and send it right back. They give you a label to put right back on. It's very easy. So we'll go over prices at the end. So let me get everything out of the plastic and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Wyatt has joined us now. And Zena is still here. Okay, so the gang's all here. We are back. Everything is unwrapped. You ready? Zena's excited, even though she's not sure what we unwrapped. Sorry, dear. Okay, first up is by Gibson, and it is a cardigan. And, it's a jacket. And I can tell you, I actually had been looking at this on the Nordstrom website. So this is very cute. It's a knit fabric, and it's a collarless blazer. So I really like it in an off-white. So this I really like. I'm sorry, guys. I have stuff everywhere here. Sorry. Okay. Next up is a vest by, who is this by? Barbour. That's what it says here. Yeah, by Barbour. And it's like a quilted vest. And it's lined. It's like completely lined in here. And it's very soft. And it's got that nice like purpley color inside there. And this is navy. And when I saw it, I wasn't sure I was going to like it. But it actually feels very nice. And it's not very thick to the touch. But it feels like it's going to be warm. So I might actually like that. I wasn't sure, but I left it in my trunk and didn't take it out because I thought, well, I will give it a try, right? All right, next up is a cami, and this is by Halogen in this colorful print. So it's got some teal and pink, a couple shades of pink, and on a black background. That would actually, I think, look pretty underneath the blazer. Okay. Next up is a long sleeve blouse by Chelsea28 in this stripe pattern, and it ties at the bottom there. Okay. Next is a sweater by this Camuto. And is that, I guess that would be what? I guess it's a purpley, like a plum color. It has these sleeves. I never know the name of sleeves. You guys always help me out with that. So that's different. Then next we have a pair of Paige Verdugo ankle mid-rise skinny, ultra skinny jeans, the Transcend, which I always love the Transcend jeans. Of course, these will be expensive because they're Paige, which I love. But those are always pricey. I like this wash too. There's no distressing, very clean jean, which would be nice for work as well. I'll probably like them, but they'll be super expensive. And I got a pair of leggings. These are just plain black leggings, and they are by Madewell. So they are called Miles by Madewell. These are an extra small. I always size up in leggings, and I didn't catch that these were a extra small, or I would have swapped out the size if I would have caught that in my trunk. So we'll see. Okay, and then I got two pair of shoes. These are by Marc Fisher. Boots, little booties here. And they're what color would that be? Rust color. So very cute. And I got these Jeffrey Campbells as well. Check those out with the zebra mule. Cute, right? They feel heavy. These are very heavy. I think they're heavier than the boots, actually. All right, and last up, I got these. So these are by Kendra Scott. Oh, Zena wants to see them. These little stud earrings. So these are like a druzy, and they're very cute. If you guys can see them. All right, so that's everything, all 10 items. Let's see what they look like, and I'll be right back with the try on. Okay, first outfit. I have the cami on, this blazer, the Paige jeans, and I even have the earrings on as well. So first up, I of course love these ankle skinny jeans, which already have Wyatt hair on them. They fit wonderfully. They're super soft. I like that they're to the ankle, so you can wear almost any shoes with them. I just put a pair of slides on with them. This cami is very cute. It's a little bit tight across my chest. It does have the adjustable straps, which I really like. And this blazer is fantastic. It's very soft. It does have pockets. Yeah, I believe they are stitched. Yes, it does. They're just stitched closed right now. It fits very well. It has these cute little notches at the wrist here, which is very nice. The length is good. It fits well. So if I wanted to put a little bit of a heavier layer, I have a little bit of room, but not too much. And I really like it. So I think this is a very nice blazer. So I do like this outfit. Very cute. All right, next. All right, next outfit is the sweater. I still have the same jeans on, and I put on the Marc Fisher boots, little booties. These are very pointy, I like the little buckle detailing here. They're comfortable. They fit, but they're very pointy. I almost feel like I could trip over my own toes here with these. I still love these jeans. They fit very well. This sweater, I'm not sure how I like the sleeve. What do you guys think of this sleeve? All right, and I brought out the vest, which I thought these colors match, but this is a little bit more purpley than the sweater, but I think they will go even if they don't match. And I like how this vest is a little longer in the back. It is very warm on the inside. It has these little flap pockets. It does zipper and snap shut. So I feel like it would be a very warm vest. All right, next outfit. Okay, so next up I have on the blouse and the Madewell leggings, and I put the boots back on to see what this looked like as an outfit. Now, these Madewell leggings feel fantastic on. I still feel like I would need to size up only because that's what I'm used to, but they do fit. I don't know. I feel like they're pulled a little thin. I don't know. That might be me because that's what I'm used to. But I feel like I would need to size up. I'm really not sure if I need another pair of leggings right now, but I do like these. They feel fantastic. This top is much cuter than I thought it was going to be. I wasn't expecting to like it, but it's pretty. It has yellow and like a mauve running through it and an off-white. And I don't mind the side tie as much as I thought I would. It's a little bit longer in the back. It's very cute. Now, I don't know if I would wear it with leggings, probably not, but that's what I had left for bottoms to try on for you, so that's how I tried it on. So the last item I have to put on are the shoes, and I want to show you the earrings, so I will be right back. Okay, so let me show you the shoes. I just put them on with what I had on today. So these are very cute menswear, I think, inspired mules with the zebra print on them. Very cute. Now, my only issue is I'm not sure how comfortable these are going to be on. So I wore them for just a couple minutes and I feel like they're rubbing right here a little bit. So I'm going to have to wear them around. But I think they're cute. Even with just a basic outfit like what I have on right now. Or you could, you know, with dress pants as well. These would be cute. Even probably a dress. Okay, I will show you a close-up of the earrings and do a wrap-up. So here are the earrings. You guys can see them, I hope. A little bit of druzy. I don't normally wear studs, but these are actually very pretty. And these earrings were, let's see, the Tessa Stone Stud Earrings by Kendra Scott in Platinum Druzy Gold, and they are $65. So I think they're very pretty. I'm not sure if I want to keep anything else, if I would keep them for $65. So we'll see. Right now they're a maybe. Let's run through everything else. So the blouse and sleeve sweater by Vince Camuto, and they're calling this red. I wouldn't really call this red at all. Is $89. So for that price, this is a no for me. I didn't love it enough to pay $89 for it. The Transcend Verdugo Ankle Skinny. I really do like these. I love Paige jeans, so I'm a big sucker. Every time I get a pair of these and they fit me well, which these did, they are $189. That's a lot. They're going in my maybe pile. And that would probably be if I kept nothing else, I might keep them. All right, next up is this quilted vest. What did you guys think of this? It looks nice and warm on the inside. I'm just not sure I need another quilted vest. This is the Cavalry Quilted Vest by Barbour in navy. It's $179. I can tell you if I had to choose between these, I would choose the jeans because I feel like I would get much more wear out of the jeans because I can wear them to work, I can wear them for casual. Like I just feel like I would get much more wear out of the jeans. So I'm putting them in my maybe pile, but I would pick between those two. I would not buy them both. The sun's going in and out, so sorry guys for the weird lighting going on here. So next up is the Finkman Mule by Jeffrey Campbell. It calls it beige, but really it's a zebra, and they are $139.94. What did you guys think of these? So I like these. I don't own anything like this, but I'm worried that these might hurt my feet, and they are heavy, very, very heavy. So these are my maybe pile as well until I see if they're comfy or not. Next, high waist ankle legging by Madewell. These are only $34.50. I thought these were very comfy. I just think I probably don't need any black leggings right now. So these are a no. The Halie Beauty by Marc Fisher, $198.95. What do you guys think of these? So I thought these were cute, but I'm going to see if I have something similar in my closet. I think I might. And they called this color tan. But $200 seems like a lot if I don't absolutely love them, and I'm not sure that I do love them. Based on how pointy this toe is, I tend to be clumsy, and I can trip over a toe that sticks this much out past my toe. All right, the lace trim camisole. This is by Halogen. It's $39. I thought this was very pretty. It's going in my maybe pile. It's a little bit tight across my chest, so I'm thinking it's probably going to be a no, but I like the pattern. I think it's pretty, and I thought it looked really pretty under the blazer. And last up is the blazer, which I really liked. I thought this was so nice. It's actually a heavy weight too, so going into fall, I feel like this would be a really great piece, and I don't really have a nice cream blazer, and I like that it's collarless. So this was the notch collar cotton blend blazer. And when I say collarless, I mean like not the flap collar, right? The fold over collar. And this is $98. I really like this. So this is like, I feel like this is my one definite yes. I want to keep this. I actually had this in my shopping cart, like, you know, save for later, because I really was thinking about getting that one anyway. So I think that's my one definite keep. So I think my favorites were probably the blazer and the jeans, which just those two items are pricey. So I would love to know what you guys thought of this trunk. Let me know. Please comment down below. Let me know if you'd like to give Trunk Club a try. I will put my referral link down below from me and my sleepy sidekick here, who I have apparently bored to sleep. Yes, sound asleep, right? As usual. And Zena has completely disappeared, so she's completely bored with my videos. We hope you enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up and show me some support. I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so very much appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. Till next time. Bye, everybody.